Hey guys, what's up? And in this video I'm gonna talk about the battery life of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. This phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size with support a 5 volt with 2 ampere charger. And first up, I am gonna tell you that I charge this phone up to 100% and then I am using this phone like a normal user, and I can use all the application like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and some games. Now the battery percentage is having a 4%, so I'm gonna show you how much this phone is giving you the screen on time between 100% to 4%. Now I open the settings and go to the battery and battery usage, and you can see YouTube is consumed about 8%. I use the YouTube for about 1 hour and 23 minutes without dark theme, and I set a brightness all the way up to max, and then I am using the Instagram for about 34 minutes and the brightness is all the way up to max. And let's go to the screen, and you can see, and this phone is giving you a 5 hours and 46 minutes, and it is not very huge, and most of the time I use this phone in air conditioner room about 28 degrees Celsius, and outside temperature is high about 38 degrees Celsius. And the emotion UI as well as the processor is not very hungry. I hope the battery life will improve with some software updates in the future. Last night I received a update, and you can see I received this update last night, and you can see it will optimize the camera in wide aperture and HDR mode display, as well as some more feature like the security. And it is having a summer seasons. In winter season this phone is giving you a more battery life than in the summer seasons. And some more information, I play a game that is called as Marvel Future Fights in high graphics and the performance settings. I played this game for about 38 minutes, and this app is consumed about 7%. And same thing with the Facebook application. I use Facebook application for about 35 minutes and it consumes about 6.12%. And overall I have to say that the battery life is average, not very excellent, because it has a very big display, 6.59 inch full view display with the IPS full HD resolution. And thank you so much for watching this battery life review of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.